Hello. I have a mixed haul. I have Deseret, St. Vincent, a DIY, and Hobby Lobby. Yes. I got one of these. I have one of these at home. I got this for $2. They sell these at Marshall's. And you just pump, you put your soap in here. I like it because it's clear and you can see when you're running out. And it's easy. You can just use one hand to pump it, you know, that way. So I'm going to take this one down to the beach and get rid of the one I have, you know, that stainless steel one that's not very good. Because I have to put Cetaphil cleanser in it for me. Yeah. So that was a pretty good deal for $2. So I'm going to wash this up and take it down there. And I got this stack of plates for $1. These are going to go back to the thrift store. They're just nothing. But these are, oh, I can't remember the names of these. These are from probably the 60s, 70s. They did tumblers. They did big chip bowls. They did these little bowls.
Yeah,
I think that's all they did.
as far as I can remember.
Yeah, and I don't remember what they're
they did do it, tumblers, actually.
They did tumblers. We had some years ago. They're not marked. I can't remember what they're called, but they're neat. And they display nicely if you have Holt Howard, like pixie ware. They're cute with that. So my pixie ware is all packed up right now. It's having a rest. So those were $1. Then I got these guys. Were kind of fun. They're from Maui, Hawaii. And they're tiki. They're Hawaiian. They got salt and pepper in them. Ick. So it was $1 for both of them. They need to be seriously washed. We're dirty. We came all the way from Hawaii. We need a bath. So that's what those guys' story is. And then Mr. Retro's got this.
I like some of their songs.
I don't remember anything about them.
You will when you
Yeah, probably. I probably
They're
don't.
like, you know, Disco Duck.
They're not Disco Duck, no. I know
I'll
that.
bet their
Nothing.
songs are on there.
No. And then Mr. Retro's got these. You have these, you know. Oh, look, there's a tea light hidden in
I
there.
stuck it in
Oh,
there.
you did
I
that.
filled
Well, you've been
box.
robbing this. Oh, you did this. He got this at Lizretros for $1.50. That they're just, he needs these thingies here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are actually getting low on candles. That's how much he burns them. And then I got these are really cute. $4. They're that Hearth and Home. That's that design group that designs for Target. And they're just little solid wood bowls. They were $15. And they're in varying shades of wood tones, which I like. These are neat. So I'm going to display these with my...
What are those, salt cellars?
Oh, I suppose you could put anything in there. You could put mustard, you could put dip, anything in there. You could put, they'd be good for, like, when I get that Chinese barbecue pork, you know, when you put sesame seeds in one and hot stuff in the other.
Oh, that sounds
Mustard,
great.
yeah, doesn't it? That sounds good. I should have stopped at Safeway. But I digress. I like to display these wood things with my Catherine Holm that I have on display in the kitchen. I don't know. The wood seems to look nice with the enamel there. That's just me. So that was cool for $4. That's all I got at Deseret, and it wasn't bad in there. But I don't know what happened to the pickers. They're gone. They've gone away.
It's time for...
Mr. Retro's timer. He got for half price, $1.50. We have so many timers, but we always need more.
I took too many down the ocean.
Oh, is that what it was?
Yeah, now I'm short up here.
Yeah, it's the same thing with the candles.
Right. Yeah.
We have a gap, a timer and candle gap. So we'll change that next time we go down.
Change that scene.
Yeah, that's going to be a change situation. Tell you that. And so that was $1.50. I got these for $1. They're Williams-Sonoma spreaders. They're really cute. They're little pumpkins, green and orange. And when are they from? Does it say? 2006. Oh. We took off the original price, but I thought they were really cute. You know, you need spreaders. You need them when you need them. You know, you gotta have them.
Right.
So it's a must-have. You know, otherwise, ick.
Use your finger.
Ew, no, don't use your finger. I got these for 50 cents a piece. Oh, mamma mia, those are heavy. Oh, these were 50 cents a piece. Let's see, they were half price. They are Napco? No, Cisco ware. Is that it? Cisco ware, yeah, restaurant ware, Cisco ware. We have Cisco up here. And they're probably made by Homer Laughlin. I got 5 of these. These are very nice canapé plates or just little snack plates. Because I had another set of these and they're down at the beach. Another plate gap, apparently.
Gap.
A gap in plates. Sickening, isn't it? Yeah. And then these are little bowls. These were either $2 or $2.99. I think she charged me 50 cents a piece for these.
Okay.
So they were $2. And they are Homer Laughlin. Oh, look at it. It's got a Goodwill sticker on the bottom. Gee whiz. Anyway, yeah, that's Homer Laughlin's tag. So, oh, these are heavy. The nice thing about this stuff, you can always spot it. So I'll be getting rid of some crummy IKEA ones that I have and replacing them with these. And then I got this awesome basket. I have one of these at the beach in the bathroom, and it's really neat. I like it because it resembles a fishing net situation. See?
Yeah.
I'm having a net moment with this basket. So this was $5. But they're more than that when you buy them, and it's in good shape. And then you can like carry your TP around or whatnot. You know, you can put all that stuff in there. So I thought that was pretty good. That's all I found there. They had their donation line open, but the back room's still closed. Oh, I don't know what's going on with that. So I went to Hobby Lobby to get some yarn. They had all their yarn 30% off. I got this. I don't know if it's going to be okay or not. I'm working on a quilt of the, well, a blanket of granny squares. It's got my hair on it. So I ran out of black. So I'm using up all my scraps of other yarn that I have, which is a good way to use your scraps. But I'm doing this as a test project, and then I might do a red and white one because the thought of quilting a whole quilt in fabric is just, gosh, this is a little easier. Yeah, see, these are neat, and they sell for like $150 on Etsy if you go try to buy one. So I needed this black just to do this stuff here.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I don't think it's right. I may have to hit you. I was trying to avoid Joann's, but I don't think I can. So that's my sad story on that. But I'll get this going. No, these look, I really like the ones with the black frames.
Yeah.
They're so classic and iconic looking, and the beige one that I bought at Thrift City, Coco's taking it over. I put it on the chair over there, and that's her spot now. So. Oh, and then they had these guys, you know, Hobby Lobby. They had all their candles, wax melts, tapers, candle stuff, all 50% off, which I thought, ooh, cool. You know, because Robin Johnson has these timer tapers that have moving tops, like the, what do you call them? The ones they have at Pottery Barn. I thought, oh boy, I'll get them for $10. But it says, they have little yellow tags that say your price. So all the your price items, all the things you want, are not on sale.
Right.
And you can't use your 40% off coupon.
Right.
So that's really crummy of them. So I took my revenge by getting these for half price.
Fine.
This one I picked out. Mr. Retros likes all these piney ones. Woodland Walk.
Right.
pine needles. It's this one smells really good, I bet. Oh, that does smell good. Gardenia is my favorite. And so we got these for half price. They were $1.50, so that's not bad.
I like them.
Yeah. And then I got, and as far as I know, this is a decent brand. I don't know. I think I've gotten them there before. We have a wax melt kitchen here. And I got these for my Grinch ornaments that I ran out of the glass ones, so just in case I need them, they're all up there. Just in case I need some more, I just have these and stuff. All their Christmas stuff was 40 off. It's already getting picked over. So if you want anything, get in there. I went in there looking for a snowman, gone. They have those little brush trees with the ornaments on them, pink and green this year, but you know, they're not going to be there forever.
I'll show your Grinches.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. See, these Grinches, they hang on to ornaments. And those, I have those vintage ones, but I don't have any more of those unless I can find them like at Costume Supply or something. So I might have to if I run out, I'll have to use these. That's just my story. The other guys just hang on to bells. I think Krampus just has a bell too.
Yeah. Okay.
And then they have, you know, they have all their Christmas jewels. Oh, this is too cute. I got this necklace. I think he's adorable. Oh, they have Nutcracker elves this year that are really cute. I think they're $12.99 and they're about this big. And they have one that's kind of like this, you know, very classic European one. And then they have some with glitter on them that are cute too. The European one has little toadstools on his base.
That's nice.
I'm probably going to be sorry I didn't get it. They also had a elf candy dish where the top of his head was the dish. It was pretty awesome too. So I just got this. It's a little festive gnome necklace. So he was 40 off that. And then this was, this one I couldn't resist. Awesome. Awesome. They only had one other one, and he had a big flaw in his transfer paint here. See, he's got a little bit of a boo-boo there, but you know, it's in the glaze. But he's so good. They had a Triceratops. He wasn't that cute.
And the Stegosaurus.
The Stegosaurus was. I think the Stegosaurus just had a hat. I don't think he had
He had boots on.
Oh, did he have boots?
Red boots.
Oh.
But he
didn't have a
He
sweater.
just didn't get me like this.
Yeah, this one spoke. The other ones, not so much. They had a matching spoon rest, which was nice, but
Yeah, wow.
you know, yeah, I don't really.
Or a coffee cup, don't you?
Oh yeah, they had a coffee cup and his tail went around for the handle, you know. But I don't really need a coffee cup, but I need this.
Right. Yeah. That's
Yeah,
Nice.
I thought it was cute. And he's boo ho ho ho, boo ho 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 is what it's called. What the? $12.99, 40% off. He's got a cute face too.
Right.
Yeah, they had a little turquoise deer. They had bigger glitter deer. They had a lot of those gumdrop trees that light up. But, yeah. Oh, and they had the little TVs with little scenes inside them going around. So, if you need any of that stuff, hit them. Because people are in there grabbing. Like this. Okay, so then I was going to show you my latest DIY. I saw... I think it was Dime Store Chic. She's on Instagram. And she did one that had spiders and pumpkins. It was really cute. And I shopped my house. And I had one of these in the box. I couldn't believe it. Yeah, I could not believe it. So Mr. RETROS painted it black for me, flat black. And I just put, these are just... What is it? Scrabble tile, which we have that. And then I just used this chenille stem, and it's just twisted on. I had to drill holes with the drill press.
Oh my God.
Yeah, oh, yeah. It was touch and go for a while. Oh, and I made this garland out of, crepe paper. because I didn't have any black tinsel garland, and I didn't really want tinsel-y stuff. So I just here you can see the stitching here. I just layered 4 pieces, strips, stitched it on the featherweight, and then folded it in half and just cut it and foofed it up and stuck it on there, just to fill in. And then these are, you know, we always are buying those wood beads. Yeah, so these are just some of those wood beads. I got some glue here, just some wood beads, and I just took some chenille and glued them on there, and this is just out of cardboard, and her nose is cardboard, and her hair, she has some, I don't know if you can see it, crepe paper hair, you know, there's the back. You know, there's somebody else on Instagram that paints these up. I might touch this up with some orange paint. I don't know though. Somebody, I can't remember what their name is. They buy those reproduction cathedral radios and they paint Halloween scenes on them. They're really nice. So I don't know. I might leave it this way. I might paint it. I don't know. So that's what I've got for today. So I will see you later. Goodbye. Woof woof.